Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I hope you all had a blessed weekend. I had a weekend. Sorry about that. The dogs are they're ready to go out. I'm going to take them out pretty soon here. Anyway, I have got, a lot of work done this weekend as far as crafting and stuff goes. I have been working nonstop almost. And so I have videos for you this week. I'm really excited about that. Hi. My doggy's down here wanting some love. Before I get started with the week, I have a little share, a little happy mail share with you. I had originally made a separate videotape for this, and somehow it got corrupted and it wouldn't upload. And so I just want to share it with you. I got a bottle of art glitter glue and a bottle of refill art glitter glue. And then the fine tip that goes onto it from my friend Nora Dunlap. I got this box from Amazon. This one didn't come from Amazon. This came from Art Glitter Glue itself. And she ordered it from Amazon and she sent it to me. So thank you so much, Nora. So I am set for glue now. I got plenty of glue. So thank you, Angie, again. Thank you, Nora. I really appreciate everything. And so moving on. So this week I have our devotions for this week, and hopefully they will be up every day this week instead of every other day. My shop is going to open up on Wednesday. Well, it's open now on Facebook. You just have to go to Crafts and More. I think I'll check out the link and see if it's working yet. But please check that out. And I'm debating on whether to do a video of the items that I have for sale so you can see them first, because I'd like to give my YouTube friends a chance to have them first if they want them. So I'm debating on that. I haven't filmed a video for that yet, but if I decide to do so, it'll be out this week as well. So what do I have for you this week? Well, Wednesday I have my third video from BB Craft, and it's what I started on Thursday Night Live this past week. I started working on my Alice in Wonderland junk journal. I have been working on it this week and this weekend, and I have almost completed that. So that will be up on Wednesday, and it will be in the shop on Wednesday as well. And then I have a club video this week, part 4, for our lap book / journal / mini album. And then on Thursday, in the daytime, I have continuing my masculine cards. I have another masculine card video out for you. This was a special request from a friend, and so I've been trying to do as many as possible. So this week will be the last masculine card, per se, as far as the series goes. And then on Friday, I have a keto living video for you. This was Sweet Treats, and this is especially for my friend Jackie, Crafty JJ Newton. And so I'm really excited to get those out for you. And then if I get happy mail or anything else comes up, or I get some projects finished that I'm working on, I'll be showing. Oh yes, on the 25th. I will also have a video out on the 25th. I can't remember if that's Wednesday or not. I may have 2 videos up on Wednesday. Or I might do the journal on Tuesday. I don't know. Anyway, on the 25th, I have my Smash That Small Paper Pad video out, which is a collaboration that I've done with Deb Houck. And it's every month, and it comes out on the 25th. So that'll be up on the 25th as well. So I don't know, y'all, I cannot keep track of the days and the months, and I know what month it is. It's June. But the days of the week and the date itself, I am having the hardest time keeping track of. I guess it's because I've been in the house so long that, why bother kind of attitude. But, yeah. So, I hope you can tell through my rambling. I'm so sorry. I've got so much stuff spread out all over my table here that I have been working on. And, so, it's been a craft frenzy around here. But I hope that you'll come back and check out some of the videos. And don't forget, Thursday night, for Thursday Night Live, I'm going to be altering a box that I'm going to use to put my journaling kit stuff that I got from BB Craft in. I originally threw everything into like this little empty pizza box that's clean. And I don't know, it's just, I don't like the shape of the box. And so I have another box I'm going to be altering to put my journaling stuff in it. I'm working around my craft room right now. And like I've gotten one section done, then I moved to another section. Somebody suggested that to me, and I can't remember who it was right now. But anyway, I'm just kind of working away my room, and I have a whole shelf and stuff for my junk journals and things like that. So I'm working on that next. And then hopefully within maybe a month, I'll be showing you my craft room if it ever gets done. If it's still here and I'm still online. So I guess that's it. So just a quick recap. Daily Devotion, which is already out. And, of course, Monday Morning Coffee today. Tuesday is going to be either my Alice in Wonderland junk journal, or it'll be on Wednesday, because really I cannot figure out the date right now. At the moment, I'll have a calendar in front of me, but the Alice Junk Journal video will be out either Tuesday or Wednesday, and then I have a masculine card coming out on Thursday during the daytime, and on the 25th, I have Smash That Paper Pad projects that will be coming out, and then Thursday night is Thursday Night Live, and then on Friday, I have a Keto Living video for you. So that would be about it. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling now because it's early in the morning. I didn't go to sleep till early in the morning, and no, I'm just rambling, sorry. I'm tired. So I think I'm going to RU the puppies and run them out, and I might take a nap for a while. So anyway, thank you for joining me. Please come back and check out my videos when I'm coherent. And I will see you all this week. I am trying to do watch videos and things. I'm trying to catch up on my video watching. And remember, if you want me to watch your video first, then make sure you check out my videos too. Don't forget to check out some of the newer channels that I have mentioned in the past. Susie's Craft Room, and my friend Chris, and I think it's Chris Crafts and More, and some of the others, Sun, Moon, and Arts, who is Rosa, and Mandalay, which is Dahlia. Check out some of those for me. And oh yes, I will be back later on today with the VR too. So I think that's it this time. Alright guys, I'll see y'all soon. Make sure, if you're just checking this rambling out for the first time and you want to see some real videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button over there, and make sure you tap the bell so you can be notified when I upload a video, and I'll make sure I try to get some sleep so they'll be coherent next time. Alright guys, I'll see you all soon. Bye.